What's going on? So today on this 4th of July, I had to switch my brake switch. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. Anyway, yes. So yeah, things are addictive back there. Yeah, got a couple little figures. Let me see. One of these days I'm gonna have to do a vlog on that one. But yes, I switched out my brake switch because I had some issue with my brakes. My third brake light came on, but my other two on the bottom did not. So since I ordered another one of these brake switch, actually it did work. This is my old one for my Acura TL Type S. Yeah, see how corroded it is, all that good stuff. The new one. What happened? So, off the record, people that live on the second floor, they have an AC, and then the water comes down. This is like funny as shit. It goes from up to down. Funny. I mean, at least you're not getting wet. So yes, it is nice outside. I gotta put ears in my tires. So yeah, I had problems with my two back brake lights. They will not go on, and of course there are sensors behind the. I live by the airport. It is loud as I don't know. I hate them. I really do. So when I went online to figure out why my back brakes won't work, it popped out and said that there's sensors that's behind the back light, which are these. I should take these out. My neighbors are all doing a cookout. I am not participating in it. Sorry, because when they start doing stuff, things don't go right. Somebody either get drunk or whatnot. So back to what I was saying. You see that little box, that little gray box right there. Those are all both of my backlights, and that's what I thought was the problem. But before I even start touching that, oh come on, seriously? Before I even start touching that, I end up just still one thing at a time. Of course, you will have your fuse box. You probably switch out the fuse. Excuse me. I actually enjoy this weather. It's not too bad. It's been actually over the weekends. Been brutal. Yes. So of course you have your fuse box, and anybody's gonna. Sorry, getting squirrely here because everybody's going somewhere. So, oh my God, it's freaking hot. Leather seat, don't wear it. Ah, shit, go blow 'em. It's hot. Hold on, I gotta open my windows. It's so hot in here, it's not funny. You have leather seats. It's not a fun thing to have. It's not even fun. So, here is, where did we go? See, that is your fuse switch. You unplug it first. Then you untwist it. The best thing too, when you do that, here's the problem I had. What's the car? Oh my God. Here's the problem I had when I put the new one in. I didn't know how to adjust it, so when I adjusted, here we go. So when I adjusted the new fuse brake switch, I put it more towards the front. So you got the front, and my brake lights the same on. So when you adjust the back, You have to adjust whatever car you have. I'm no professional, but I had to learn. We have also too. Yeah, so I adjusted back, and it went completely. Pretty much, I tuned it to a point like the brake light. I can use my brake lights on it. The other part too, always have an extra person to help you out because it was a pain in the butt. And this one, when you use the lock nut off, you use a 12, I believe, a 12 or a 14. Can't remember if they had one of them. It's something small. They all go on the beach. It's too freaking hot. But yes, always have a second person. That way you can test the light, your back your lights. Make sure it stays on while pushing the brake. The other part about it is too, you gotta make sure you lock it in. You know, when it's always screwed in, lock it in. Put the top back on, and that's about it. Other than that, the car is coming along. I still got a lot more to go with this car. I still need the T3s for my cluster. I don't know if anybody knew a good website for these. I need to find good websites so I get good lights. The T3 lights for your cluster, this thing. Where is it? Cluster. Got about. I want to go out. I don't want to drive it though. But anyway, that's a squirrel moment. But yeah, so that's what this car needs. Some more tender loving. I still got to swap out some other stuff, interior stuff. What else we gotta do with this car? Little stuff here and there, but I hopefully by August, I'll have nope, I don't even want to put my rims on. I do not. You about to go to the beach? Yeah, if I had one, I would let you borrow one. A cooling ice, and you got a small grill. A bucket of ice. Oh man, look at this puddle. So, anytime you're doing some type of, this is off the books. Anytime you're doing some type of like, what's the word? Event. Make sure you have everything ahead of time, not the last minute. I just don't like letting my borrow nothing, especially if it's a last minute type of thing. Whoa, shoot! It is hot. I just like the shirt. I do. I think I need to go take a nap because I'm not going nowhere no time soon. We can actually talk about these real quick. So these are very addictive. These things are very addictive. These little Hot Wheels. I promised myself only started with one. And then I ended up let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, there's 23 of these things. I know all of them are Hot Wheels. Some of them I have for a long time. I just kept them in there. Like these two, had these for a long time. It started with this right here, I think, the Thundercat. And then I started going to Auto Place, car shows, Walmart. So like 2 of them, probably 3 of them are from a car show. And the rest is like from Walmart. Let me see what else I have in here. I'm a big kid. I used to collect these. Almost dropped you. That's to collect these kids as a kid. Old school ones. Junkyard Dog. I'm missing his little chain. Sorry about the lock. Junkyard Dog, where we at? Junkyard Dog, JYD, got, you know, a couple, I'm a big kid. And got a couple on, and down. Of course, I got a little Pops. Pops is the one I got during the pandemic. Don't know why. But I started collecting those things because, golly, I was bored and it was cheap actually. Now they probably 10 times more than anything. Oh my God, too much sun, too much. Hold on, hold on. Yeah, we're getting there, Well, actually, perfect. Yes, so back what I was saying. The Pops I collected was cheap during the pandemic, as I bought them things like 2 years ago, a year and a half ago. And I had to stop because some things are addictive. Like I got some of them from like Walmart or GameStop for cheap, or I order online and all that stuff. So that's what happens when you just get real bored. You couldn't find nothing else to buy. Yep. So switching over. But yes, my Acura actually had to switch out the brake switch. Got that done, and actually, again, you have to have another person so they can see if it stays on, or when you press the pedal, the brake pedal, it's adjusted. So on that note of everything, I'm still looking around trying to debate if I still want to do a if I wanted to do excuse me, again, I'm getting taller. If I still want to do a sponsorship down the line, or just keep what I do and keep pouring money and do what I need to do with the car and just call it there. I had this debate with my girlfriend. My girlfriend's like, you should. And I said, well, you're right. Got a point with that. Yeah, so, oh, yeah, hold on. So, these are the little lights I have for the little clusters, but some of them, I don't think they're working. So, yep, there you go. I'm gonna take them and test them myself. That's why I said I need to find a good website to go on to get the like T3s and those little suckers, the small ones. The wedges, actually, some of the wedges in my car do work. I end up going on eBay and getting them because I just need to change them. What else is going on with my car? But yeah, that's pretty much it with the car, and just trying to get this car back, like tuning the way I want to. I gotta switch out my O2 sensor, but I don't think it is. I think it might be a hole in my exhaust pipe. What else going with the car? Pretty much that's it. And that concludes the day. You guys have a happy 4th of July. Be safe out there, and catch you next time. Peace.